Hello guys, this is Raymond from Gbpjpy. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right at the bottom on the red button. Okay, right here we're just gonna be looking at pound JPY. We're just gonna be breaking it down, starting from a monthly time frame. Okay, so what do we see right here? We're having this level right here, which is around the price of just do this, which is around the price of 156. So ever since we broke out of this key zone right here, which was around March 2022, ever since we haven't been able to break below again and stayed below. So as we can see right here, we tried to go down, we spiked below it, that level, and then we got rejected. And then the market started pushing up, and then we came back to retest this level again, but we failed to break this low right here, which previously we broke this high right here and created a new one. So afterwards it's created a higher low. So right now we're expecting the market to break this previous high and start to create a new one. And this candle has already closed because right now we're on 29 April, which by Monday it's going to be the first. So we're going to be having a new candle. So we're just going to work on this one. So the key level that we're looking at as our target right here is around the price of right here between the price of 174 and 173.5, around that area on the monthly time frame. So we're going to be expecting market to keep on pushing up until this price right here before we start to see a rejection and start going to create probably a new higher low, right? And then if we are to create a new higher low, we would expect the market to retrace around this area right here. Let's do this. We're going to expect the market to come back and retrace up until this area right here, which is around the price of 165.2. So right here on the market time frame, we already know what to expect. So right now we're just going to break it down to a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, as we can see that this has been a consolidation right here, and then afterwards we tried to break up, and then we came back down again, and we started to move, creating new highs and lows. As we can identify them, identifying the highs and lows, here we having a higher low right here, and then we having a higher low right here. Right here. So let me just make this clear very quick. The reason we're saying we're having a higher low right here because we had a low right here. We had a low right here, as we can see it, as it was going down, and then afterwards we started to break this price right, this lower high, and then afterwards we created a higher high. Then we would expect the market to, after creating a higher high, we obviously would wait for a confirmation for a higher low, which it was created right here, which was this one. So we couldn't break this low right here and started to create a new high, a higher low. So afterwards we broke it again and created another one right here, a higher high, then higher low, and then afterwards it broke right here and started to push all the way up. So what we can see right here, we broke up again on this level, and then we approaching this price right here. Let me do this. We approaching this price right here, which is the price of 172.172.3, right? So we're just gonna wait and see if we are to break this price right here. If we are to spike above this level right here, there will be a confirmation that we've created a new high, right? So as we can see, as we broke it also right here on this price right here, which is the price of 169, we probably can let me just do this. We broke this price right here. So we're just gonna break it down to a daily time frame again. Okay, this is it. So we broke this key level right here. And also we see as a very small key level right here, which is around the price of 167.689. So as we can see also the small key level right here, if the market is to reject, we're going to expect the market to start moving back right here and then possibly push all the way down right here before we start to see a market pushing all the way up to this price right here. So we just, as also another thing, we can see the momentum that it pushed with all the way up, which makes it the possibility of the market when it retraces to firstly come to this price around this area right here, which is this key level, which goes along with this one on a daily time frame, just highlighted right here. So we can possibly expect the market, to possibly come to this price right here and then afterwards make its way up. Or firstly just spike right here before it even comes to this level. And then afterwards, we're going to expect the market to come right here. So that's why we're going to be waiting for our confirmation to have a long position since we are still on an uptrend. So let's check for now how the 4-hour time frame looks like. So on the 4-hour time frame, as we can see, we've been having a very clear uptrend. Much as we had some small consolidations right here, like this one. Just change the color of it, like this one. But still, we broke out of that consolidation. We didn't really retest it, so we would expect the market to eventually come back to retest it before we move all the way up. So that will be it for now. Yes, that will be it for now. Until next time, we're just gonna be waiting for a market to confirm. Then afterwards, we're gonna record another session of an update on how everything is going. We're just gonna keep an eye for now, as we are not in this trade right now, as we didn't really have an entry right here, as the market started to just break this level and didn't really retest. So that's about it with the pound JPY. Thank you.